Wansu Wumogusi.
Miamono mwancho murigererwe getaseni kya Ndizi TV na bwansu bumugsino kwegena kwana binalitkoria ondigenderete ko bali toero kigma namana no genderete kwego kya sokubate mirobiri yonsi ya Ndizi TV na bwansu bumugsini golderitkoria Jumapili tariki 5 na 3 cyomutyenyi okyanda umwaka ni w'ibibere na mirongo ebere nene nichinga kingo kwarigania SMS ya chinsa ikomi cyabona mugoroba eriyo kubanyumna narayana kwariganire asenchera ere eyobenge ekero toroche buna omokonyi bomurayi wese Rigathi Gachagua niagenderete kurwesegeto ocyase abarayi bekanisa gusaberense ya Kenya namono koboria abarayi bage siasa bari bachorera sebirogo akwenekia bunango skabare aba Kenya bonse nakubaikiraniria aria abwerete nichinga kirana ase musangrekano bwa masabo ase kanisa ya mochinsemo chia Kayole imeye county ya Nairobi ngo kwarigana tobe togosanga ama ye chinsa ikomiweka omwere karango kunyoro na sensemo ya Facebook no bakotonyora wetra Ndizi TV News Digital asensemo ya YouTube otonyora wetra Ndizi TV News na bagase website ito wetra www.ndizitv.net eriyo togendere gusanga asubwamo. Ritoriane Evelino Sero uria ukwenekea chibichaniro gicha goikeire nigakoro kwa Sara Mumanyi ngo kwarigana tobe togosanga amogwika omwerio ama echinsa 10 centura yo wenye toko ya chaka somukonyi bomurayi bwense Rigathi Gachagua gati ya barayi bande baba gosangirekana nababwatani korwase kanisa ya ACK St Patrick Kayole imeye county ya Nairobi asenchira yemo yogo sasima omonene go kwana chinga kecho Gachagua nigabaga wakambya muno cyase kanisa somuke bagenderete kubeka bokweneke bunango sabera bare ense ya Kenya nigabaka ukwanira igoro burayi bwabere bokorokana mense ya Kenya na kumochia egati ya barayi abwatebire abange babo bayikire na mangana yoborimo asabaganiriye kwenekia bunango babare abekene nako bategerera abakenya bonsi wanchirere gose ko unerya gonde wonsi woteyo nigaterena gotegerera abananchi nakyo kiraba konye barabo ase ogoikrania amagendero na sesemo ya nigaberega kwegera na otebamna nigaragendere gutenena asekene asamochiriye bali abagendrete kubwatoka chingwa na chitabwenereti kubwatkana anogo osine chingwa na chaye chogotebamna nigaragendere koba omunyakene na otebinere nchira yokera beke goskia ense ya Kenya ase egetamkero kende.
Tusikize kila mtu hata yule yako chini ako na kitu tu anaweza sema, hata akiwa mnyonge, hata akiwa hana jicho moja, hata kama mguu yake ilivunjika, bora tu ako na masikio mbili na ako na akili katikati ya masikio, kuna kitu anaweza sema, umsikize. Mimi naambia viongozi, sikizeni ground. Wanasema ati mimi nawatisha, na mimi nikuambia tu kweli kwa sababu mimi ni mzee na ni kiongozi. Kuambia hawa msiposikiza ground mtakosana na wenye kuandika nyinyi kazi na watamfukuza. Hiyo ni kuambia ukweli ama ni kuwatisha? Yeah. Bishop mwenyewe amesema hapa, good leadership is listening to the people. Listen to them, because hao ndio unaongoza na ni muhimu ujue vile wanataka kuongozwa na uwasikize vile wanaona. For a long time watu wengi wa serikali wamezoea kudanganya wananchi. Sasa watu wengi tuko nao kwa serikali hawajazoea hii maneno ya ukweli, wanazoea maneno ya uongo. Sasa mimi nikiongea ukweli wanasema mimi naongea mbaya. People of Kenya are very intelligent, they know everything.
naso musangirekano yibo mwanchi umuriyerere gatia barayabekirana bagenderete kurira yogo cyako gendera kubwatirana ne serikali ase wikirani wa kwa magendero ase abananchi togoska bose nigo umuwaziri bobonchoreria Salimu Vyura arude okobore ochiase bali bagokora obonchoreria obokoboke kwenyorera amakabesa kurwase serikali rukubakonya wekinya okwana chinga cyo kubatoka chivesa echo chire chiringi chimilioni 13 ochiase kiumbe kemo kemanyikante buna Mika sako imeye kaunti ya Murang'a nigo Vyura tebire buna amakabesa ya serikali nigarengete gokonya mono abaunchuriria abo asbarabe bako yairania ase ekerengo yesebono nigo musiwe kiombe kyokia Amika berega kogerege tamkirekeno atana chibese cyo anigo chirachie gokonya mono ase mirubiro iyo kwegenderia.
The Kenya shillings 300 million facility we are handing over today to Amika Sacco embodies our dedication to this cause. This funding is more than just a financial transaction. It is a lifeline for business across Murang'a County. It will enable Amika Sacco to enhance its ability to offer tailored financial services that meet the unique needs of our local enterprise.
Our vision is to be a one-stop financial service provider. That is, we believe that we should be a supermarket, that when we come into the institution, you should be able to get any financial service that you are looking for. And our tagline is plan smarter so that you can live better. That is the vision that we live, that we want to empower our people to plan their lives better so that then they can live better.
Ekiombe tene tabari Teacher Service Commission TSC ni okegenderete komochiwa kubatkana no konyorwa wikirania amaganyo ya baroki wa imense ya Kenya kurengana na barokia anenense ekiombe keria ya Kenya National Union of Teachers NAT ni gogokya kumbarobwa barokia anene ase junior secondary kwa bere gokorokana ase keria ba mochirio wikirani wa kwemeroberio ase ebirasi bya junior secondary na kugania aboroki wa bali bare chintani babe bakori kwa permanent asentre moyo korobia amasomo ase ekerangekyo ya junior secondary nigo chinga kyecho abarayibo igo babiri bakumotia serikali ya Kenya kwanza kubwatkana no murobero bwoko bwatoka chibesa ase chiskuru chechi university murobero batayona nigo gochiko gen ora uso murobero batayona nigo kuneria abakenya bokonyora waise.
The funding model for university education X, we revert back to the old model, ile ambaye watoto hawatahangaika, university haitahangaika, wazazi hawatahangaika. Ya pili, as we go for grade 9 in January, it is not enough to confirm interns. We have a shortage of teachers for JSS. The 22,000 teachers must be brought on board before January.
Major challenge being lack of teachers. You find that a school has 1 or 2 teachers who is supposed to take over 13 subjects in 2 classrooms. And we are going to have an additional classroom in January. We are happy that the 46,000 will be confirmed in January. But we need TSC to move with speed and employ the 22,000 junior secondary school teachers.
The 46,000 come rain, come shine must be confirmed as permanent and pensionable by January next year. And we shall see to
abakori emirimo ase chinsemo nigo bagenderete koboriwa kwebwatani nobumanyi nabo gotumeke bwechinchira chekerero ase obokoreri bwabo gukwana se skuru yo kurwa maigerego reboteneri gose human resource management nigo bwatani baterebna obotumeke bwechinchira chekerero nigo bogokonya mono ase obokoreri borubya nabo igo obwekerengo keigoro.
Not only are you seeing yourself as a practitioner in HR, but that person who makes the organizations become what they are. Please clap for yourselves. And as you all stand out from here, again, you're your own marketers. Every person is a marketer. How you talk to the employees, how you talk to your bosses, how you handle their issues, how you respond faster, how you handle them in the hospital, how you handle them in induction, makes them say who you are, and the world is also watching who you are. So you are all marketers, and I'm happy and letting you know that wherever you will go, ensure that for us to keep steering the professionalism, all the marketing departments have to be the MSK members, and for us to be
Nechingaki amagomba bena gendrete gutumwa gochiase chiamatecha cyaba chikobasiria abana babo kubatkana numbasukano bumurero yobago kujebwata enyomba yoboraro ase skuru ya Hillside Indarasha Academy imeye a constituency ya Kenya County ya Nyeri nigo omwaki bishop we diocese ya Nyeri Anthony Mweria abolidi abakenya kubeka amasabo bali kubeka samasabo bali abasiretie abamwe abo kubatkana numubaso kano yogo kwana nigo chinga kechipoigo aganire abaibori koba batayerero nakobwatira na nebyombe biri bibwate kainene nganeyo eliyo konyora lichiburi ronke nabaigo ekyoge kobwatia nigo chinga kecho abereka gukanya abantu igoro yokoragana ebyara na gotebabuna eserekali nigo ebwate merobere mekiranu yogokora ubutkiwe mekeyima nabe gotebabuna yo nemerobero yo monena na igondeta yo werete koragwa ekiara.
To ask all of us Kenyans, when these things happen, it is very easy to start pointing fingers. Let us rather take this moment to think and put ourselves in the shoes, much as we cannot fully comprehend their pain, but the shoes of those who are suffering. We want to congratulate all the teams that are working round the clock in order to identify those bodies of the children. It is a very thankless job, but yet I had a chance yesterday, first together with the religious leaders, all of us went to pray, asking God to receive these innocent souls. But also we prayed, and I had a chance to be with all those who have this duty, a difficult duty.
Mancho morigere libono hinyora boigobna litkuria lero nigo muroberi obwa masabo yo kubenyora babete bagusia bana abaroke babete bagusiria amagimabo gendrete okorekana ase county yo ya Nyeru yo birego ikiranwa nabarai au gati abumo waziri abuobo cheno Dr. Deborah na barasa egati yabarai banda bange chingake bagusabera mono chiamate chio chiabete chiko basiria abana babo togoska mosioni gwizara yoboremi yanche Chief Factory Chechae anene kurase county ya Kericho wetenenera ase obokoreri ase chibengi au korengana numuriki ase wizara yoboremi Paul Rono nigateru na yankuwatkana no kwemurugano kwabero koyeneki wakorwase abaremi abatabuna nigo factory echo 15 na ibere cha chigotenenerwa na KTDA inse yebenki yemo igento kero kendege koreta obo tutukanu ase oboremi bubeke marigie chae nigateruna nigo eketamkire kyo kera chikokonya asokubeka esegeto yoboremi byabwecha ase Chief Factory aseboigo abaga koenekia emerobere mekirano ya serikali ya Kenya kwanza yoko bwatoka chi license wochiase Chief Factory chiabantu nyene.
Factories with satellite factories, and we talk about quality unless we separate the factories. Yeah. We will never achieve the quality we are looking for. It will be a pipe dream to talk about quality, yet the factories are not independent. So, hakuna kurudi nyuma. The 17 factories were removed, please, and people ensure that you go on a journey to complete
Abanyagatari nigo baenekirie okomentekana kwebinyinyi bie kerenko keigoro byogoroire bwenyamuregose HIV emergency ya Kenya ayangu bwatkana na keria bantabange batarikonyora okorengwa ase chinga kibwenate aseboigo yarokanire na abande bale barenkiro na konyorekana gotware binyinyi byo nigo batarikonywa amaliogabo asenchera ebwenate korengana abanyagatari abo nigo bakorera buna abantabange babere bagosiria amagimabo ase ogosiereria na konyora amarwaire au buna oburere bwa TB egatia yande amanke nigo bono bwenya osaba bwenya kurwasa chinyagitari au babere bakubori wakwenekia abuna nkobeka ngoboria kusenkori nkorenga bare abantu asenchera ebwenete tinga kibachira se chinyagitari konyora obwenya eriyo kumanya emo afya yemibere yabo kubatkana nebinyinye biga ibyenya moreho nabo konyora amawaida gose obwenya asenchire bwenete.
We currently see trends that we were seeing a long time ago coming back. The fact that we have treatment which is free, the fact that we have testing which is free, we are seeing people who are not taking up that testing for HIV, delaying that testing and testing when it is very late, particularly men. We are also seeing people who after testing and they find they're HIV positive, they are not taking medication.
2022, as per our estimates, we had 18,473 people who died because of AIDS-related mortalities. So these are people who died because of things like TB, infections, malnutrition amongst children, diarrhea disease, and we think that these are actually preventable deaths. One of the key things we have seen that is contributing is late diagnosis. So some people are taking too long to know their status, and by the time they're getting to be tested and know that they're actually living with the virus, then the immunity has already declined, and they're coming in when they're already at risk of all these infections and even death. Particularly, we have seen the challenge of late diagnosis, specifically in men, that we still not been able to reach a target of identifying 95% of the men.
Mwancho murieri banarobotero naragotatomaire bamaye chinse kumya senchera ere yobwinge kurinda ya munenda mangino chikenyora senchera yobwikiranu nge kuraga enseye mona bego chinsa isato chemugoroba nere Josephat Amisi mbye munasiba mugenda tagotubwati akorwa se chinsinyo asensemo ya Facebook nindo che Vincent Menta kurwa chinsemo chiari gomagoteba na tobwati tekegima ajeria kirbokorwa chinsemo chia manama Bahrain Kingdom bya mono Dolphin Mora na reime na boigo omusori bwege susu korwa chinsemo chiria chia Nakuru City mbya mono asabunega tia bali babere bagotuma chi ujumbe chia bona bali muganda toto bwatia wetra chinsemo to kubakira ngambya mono nyarabuna utamba semero bironsi ya Ndizi TV na bagotonyora sensemo ya Facebook wetra Ndizi TV News Digital asensemo ya YouTube watonyora wetra Ndizi TV News na boiga se website ito ora tonyora wetra www.ndizitv.net ero togendre gusanga asubwamo eritrene Evalino Sero orione KHP channel gicha wikeira senchira bena nigakoro kwa Sara Mumanyi koko ganeria oburgere buro bya semero bire kubata na boigo emagoroba erentoerero.